Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. I am Chef B. Make sure that you are subscribed down below. If you're new here, welcome, wagwan. We're about to install this beautiful unit by OMGHerHair.com, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got in my package. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. Do y'all see that 4C natural lace front? Yes, ma'am. We love a natural hairlining. This is what inside of the wig looks like, and as you guys can see, it's already bleached and plucked for you, and also it's matching my complexion very well with that brown tone. So this here is their Yaki straight unit, and I got it in 20 inches in 150% density. And the look that I was going for was as if I had really long hair and I blow dried it and decided to do some loose wand curl. So first things first, I always customize my units. Even if it's a natural edge, I'm gonna go in with a hot comb, okay? Because even if my hair was straightened, I wouldn't leave my edges in its super coily state. I would still flat iron it a little bit. So we gotta make sure that the front is all blended. Then we're gonna go in with our wax stick to mold the hair, because I'm going for a deep side part and I want it to look real cutesy and real formed, as if I got this professionally done. So we use the wax stick to help the molding, then we go straight in with the hot comb to just flatten everything out. Like, I naturally have a humpy head, so I need my wigs to be as flat as possible. So I'm gonna keep running the not a flat iron, child, the hot comb through the hair until I am satisfied with how flat it is. Now, once that's done, I wanted to do a little curl situation with this hair. I didn't want to just leave it straight, and I also wanted to test how well it holds curls, because I know that's one of the most important things with like a yucky, kinky texture hair. You always want to see how it holds. So I'm using this one iron that I got from Amazon. It's not even like a super professional one iron, but it gets the job done. And this hair was holding curls, because even after completing this video, I went on to do a bunch of different things, and the curls were kept. Okay, the curls were intact. It was a little bit loose, obviously, with a lot of movements, but it hold curls really well. So if that's something that you're concerned about, this kinky yucky type of hair is super bomb. So I'm just doing it real loose. I didn't hold the curls in for long, meaning the iron on the hair for too long. I just hold it for like 10 seconds max on each curl, and that was it. I didn't spray anything on there. The hair is super light, it's soft, it's not crunchy, and I'm loving how lightweight it feels. So if you want something lightweight, I would recommend the 150% density, because it looks way more natural and it falls effortlessly. Now we're lazy girls over here. I don't do ball cap method. Maybe one day I will do ball cap method on this channel. I don't know, babes, but right now we're too lazy for all of that. So I attached the wig band on the inside, and you could wear this hair glueless if you wish to, because I realized with adjusting the band on the inside and the wig, she went on like pretty well, and she was laying flat. Like, look how flat it is laying on the sides. Like, all you gotta do is cut off the around the ear, and you could wear this as a glueless wig. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna glue it down a bit. So we're gonna cut off the lace around the ear just to make sure that it is lying behind my ear naturally as possible, so it doesn't look all wiggy and ish on the side, especially with it being so natural. Like, look at that, look at that. Like, how effortlessly and flawlessly it is laying on the side, like lace wear. That is why I love a natural hairline. It's so easy to hide the lace. Like, the lace is less detectable when you have a natural edge like this. So we're gonna go in with our EBIN spray. You know the dealio if you're used to being over here. If not, I use EBIN spray to melt my lace, and I put that underneath. And I use this because it's real lightweight. It doesn't affect my edges. It doesn't tug and pull on my hair. It doesn't feel like it's doing any type of manipulation, and I prefer that as opposed to a very aggressive and strong glue for my wigs. No, we're gonna do something real easy, and we're gonna keep it cute, keep them edges intact. So then I go in with this blow dryer, and we're just gonna melt that down. And we're going to do all around the perimeter of the frontal, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So once that's dried, it doesn't have to be fully dry, but you just want to make sure that it's at least 80% dry. Then we're going to go in with our scissors, and you do not, I repeat, you do not want to cut straight across, because it's going to look obvious when you cut straight across, especially in your pictures and stuff. You want to do a zigzag motion. And what I'm doing right here right now is that I need the lace to be a little bit further back. So you want to customize your lace to suit your face. Like my natural hairlining goes a little bit further back because, you know, I don't mind my big forehead. So I always cut off the extra lace around that area. So then afterwards, because I might cut it a little bit too farther up because that part wasn't plucked, I'm going to go in with my little tweezer and do a light plucking just to loosen the hair in the front so it doesn't look too dense. We still want to keep that natural looking laid back look. So if you need to, go back in to pluck it if you did cut off too much lace. And another trick that you could do if you're not doing the ball cap method is to go in with some mascara to clean up your parting, to hide your wig cap underneath. And then you want to go in with a foundation powder, anything that might match maybe your makeup, or if you're not wearing makeup, just something that matches your skin tone. Then we're going to go in with the EB Iron Spray and just touch up those areas that was lifted when we cut the lace. And I'm going to do a little soupy-doop, nothing too big, but I just, you know, I feel like doing a little soupy soup because, yeah, I just have this obsession with soup. So we're going to tie that down for a few minutes while we complete the look, and that is basically it. So the final touches to this is just me playing around with it. I wanted to get a little like a humped look in the front in a sense. So I'm just going to play around with the hair until I'm satisfied. So I put a little spray in the front just to mold it, and so it stays in place. And I go in with the blow dryer just so that it could dry that way, and then it falls forward and then the sides fall back behind my ear. And yeah, just play with the hair until you're satisfied with the look that you're going for. But loving the feel of this hair. It's super natural. I just love a textured look, and it's just giving me life. It is super bouncy. It's giving body honey. Love it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know what y'all think about this unit down below. The details will be in the description box. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at @DamnThat'sChev. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.